Hello! To hide photos and videos on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all we have to go into this gallery application, and from here we have to make a new album ourselves so we can hide it. So let's make an album, let's title it Hidden. Alright, and now we can select which photos or videos we want to hide. So let's for example choose these videos and photos, and now accept it with the check mark, and you can copy these videos and photos. It will be visible in your folders, in your regular album and in the hidden, but obviously we want it to be hidden, so we press this move, and right now the files has been moved from this camera file, from this camera album to this hidden album, and right now to hide it we have to press and hold, and right here as it's selected we have the hide option. We press it, we select OK, and right now this album isn't visible right here. But to see hidden files with hidden albums we have to press these three dots right here, go into settings, and right here we have view hidden albums, and as you can see here we have this hidden album, and basically that's how you do it. So thank you for watching and please subscribe.